Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to my channel Indian in Costa Rica. This is my last day in Las Vegas, and I and my friend thought of going on a trip to Hoover Dam and the Grand Canyon. Hoover Dam is around 38 miles from Las Vegas, which is a short drive of 40 minutes.
लोगों ने एक पिट स्टॉप लिया है। भूख लग रही थी तो सोचा कि यहाँ कुछ खा के फिर आगे चले। यहाँ से कुछ देखते हैं, खाने का सामान मिलेगा तो वो लेके फिर आगे बढ़ेंगे।
Unfortunately, there was not much to eat, so just had some Coke. The drive to Hoover Dam is very scenic and the traffic is very smooth, so we really enjoyed our drive.
तो हम लोग आ चुके हैं अभी हूवर डैम के पास। यहाँ पे एक सीनिक लोकेशन है, तो हम लोगों ने एक पिट स्टॉप लिया है और यहाँ से अभी व्यू देखेंगे। सो लेट्स गो।
And this is the way towards the Lake Mead viewpoint. This is also called the Lake Mead National Recreation Area. There are different activities which you could do here, like boating, fishing, hiking, bicycling, and simply sightseeing. After a small stop at Lake Mead, we continued towards Hoover Dam.
तो ये हूवर डैम का पार्क है और यहाँ से हम अभी ऊपर जाएंगे और फिर हूवर डैम के दर्शन करेंगे। Let's go.
You will have to walk uphill from where you park, and there are stairs as well. There are different tickets which you could buy to see this Hoover Dam. The entry tickets are for $10, $15 and $30. We took the one for $10, which is basically a self-guided tour. The package for $15 include walk through original construction tunnels and then visit the viewing platform and see the 8 commercial generators in the Nevada powerhouse. The extended package of $30 includes visiting historic 2 tunnels and then ride the original elevator to the top of Hoover Dam. It also includes the walkthrough of the inspection tunnels, and then you could also view the Colorado River through the inspection ventilation shaft. Ideally, I would recommend to do the $30 tour because it actually gives you a nice insight on how the Hoover Dam was built and gives you a historic view of the tunnel. But then we were running short on time. We also had to cover the Grand Canyon. So we thought of just taking the self-guided tour. It is a nice walk towards the dam, and as you can see, there is a ramp built up here, so you can get your strollers in case you have got kids, or if there are any elderlies, you can get them on the wheelchair as well. And finally, we are at the dam. This is just amazing and beautiful. With the other packages which I talked about, you could go right there at that installation. So that's all about Hoover Dam. We enjoyed the view for a few minutes and then continued towards our journey to Grand Canyon.
गाइस दिस इज बस टैंक, पहली बार चला रहा हूँ, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। और अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं स्काई ब्रिज ग्रैंड कैनियन की तरफ, एंड द ड्राइव इज फैंटास्टिक। और साथ में सुमित है, तो सफ़र और भी सुहाना हो रहा है। मंगे और
The drive from Hoover Dam to Skywalk Grand Canyon is for 2 hours approximately, and we did have our bit of fun while driving towards the Grand Canyon, and it was worth it.
Woohoo! It's cold. बचपन की बात याद आ गई। गणपत राय। गणपत राय। Freaking cold, man. Freezing. तो देख के बोलेंगे हम लोग पागल हैं। And we're about to reach the Grand Canyon. और यहाँ पे शायद पार्किंग है। This is the parking. तो हमें यहाँ पे पार्क करके उसके बाद फिर यहाँ से एक बस टूर होगा जो कि हमें ग्रैंड कैनियन और स्काई वॉक पे ले जाएगा। सो वी आर गोइंग टू पार्क हियर एंड देन गो टू गेट आवरसेल्फ द टिकट्स। या इट्स कोल्ड वेरी। लेट्स गो टू द टिकट काउंटर एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू गेट आवरसेल्फ द टिकट फॉर ग्रैंड कैनियन। So guys, that's the bus which we'll take, and unfortunately we can't use our mobile cameras or any phones. So yeah, seems like मैं आपको वो व्यू नहीं दिखा पाऊँगा, but I'll try whatever I could. This is the ticket which we have, and we are going to get on the bus right now. Grand Canyon, finally.
So we are in the west wing of the Grand Canyon, and the ticket price to enter is around $40 per head, wherein you could use the skywalk to see the view.
It seems like कि हम अंदर नहीं ले जा सकते वहाँ स्काई वॉक पे, बट यहाँ से वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हैं। Let me show you the skywalk which is there, and that gives you a direct view of the depth of Grand Canyon. That's the skywalk which you see.
We started walking towards the entrance of the skywalk and get the view from there. The skywalk is nothing but a horseshoe shaped glass bridge, and you could see the depth of the Grand Canyon from there. It's amazing, which I have heard of, but let's go and check it out. And this is the entrance of the skywalk. We are going to enter and then buy our tickets from here. And finally we are in. This is the information center for the Grand Canyon West Wing, and then we move on to buy the tickets. As I mentioned earlier, we couldn't take the mobile phones there on this skywalk bridge, but right above it is a restaurant and you could see the view from there. So I got a chance to record it from the restaurant, and this is it. This view which you see is from our second stop from the tour which we took.
उधर 360 degree view. That's Grand Canyon. Yes. So I think there is one more stop, और फिर उसके बाद we'll get back. So let's go to our next stop. Guys, so this is our next point, और यहाँ से view तो और भी शानदार है. As you can see. हमारा जो लास्ट स्टॉप था वो तो बंद हो गया था. जब तक हम लोग वहाँ पहुँच पाते तो वो तो हम देख नहीं पाए. सो वी आर बैक टू आवर पार्किंग, जहाँ से हम लोगों ने अपना ये टूर शुरू किया था. और नाउ बैक टू द होटल. सो थैंक यू सो मच गाइस फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, एंड let me know how did you like it. Please share your feedback or comments with me. And until then, ciao ciao, sayonara, pura vida. See you in my next video.